Hey, welcome back. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner. So this week's recipe from the farm, I'm making an Irish Colcannon. Got some cabbage, some potatoes, I'm using some shallot, and a little bit of spices. Check it out. Alright, so I've got about 2 pounds of these really nice gold potatoes. I've chosen not to peel them. I think they look really good as they are, so I'm gonna just leave the skins on. I have some small cabbages, so one small cabbage will do great, or if you got a giant cabbage, you could use like a quarter of it or a half of it. Whatever you feel works best. And then I have shallots. Onions are a little hard to come by this time of year, but shallots store for such a long time. They're almost always fresh. So I decided to go with shallots. Got my potatoes at a boil. I'm going to simmer those probably about 15 minutes. Throw the shallots into a pan with some olive oil or butter. Get those nice and just a little translucent. And I'm going to add the cabbage. Mix that in. Then I'm going to cover it. And this takes about 10 or so minutes to cook. If you feel like it's drying out, throw some of the water in from the potato water just to keep it kind of moist. You don't want it to burn. So then I'm adding my spices. Mix those in, and then I'm going to keep cooking this down. It's pretty much done, but we'll keep cooking it down for a while. When it's cooked and the potatoes are done and drained, throw them all together, add some butter, mix that up, and then I'm going to mash those. And that's pretty much how we've got it. Oh, don't forget, add in some yogurt. You can do cream, you can do stock or something, but I really like the tanginess of the yogurt. So I used about a quarter cup of yogurt here, and that came out really nice. I highly recommend it. Then it's just really adding salt to taste, and you are good to go. All right, let's try this out. Wow, that is really good. Try this one out. Until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.